Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about writing in base index form. This is from the topic of logarithm, and most of the time we are asked to write in base index form, and then also sometimes we are asked to write in logarithmic form. So this video will talk about how we can go writing in vice versa, in log form and also in base index form. So from here you can see that there are two forms given. The first one is log form, log base b, x is equal to a, and x is equal to b raised to the power a. The top one is known as the log form. This part is known as base index form. So when you are given your question in log form, you'll be asked to convert to base index form. So from here you have to go here, and then likewise if you have something in this form, base index form, then you can also go in the opposite direction, that way, right? So both ways I'm going to talk about in this video. So to do that, let's work with some example. Let's do example number 1, where you have to write in base index form. So it is given in log form. This is given in log form. It is log base a base b x is equal to a. So if I have to write this in log form, this will be log base with the x is equal to a. Now if I have to write this in base index form, so base is there, raised to a, and this is equal to x. So from here our value of b is 2, x is still there, which is x, and 8 is taking the place of 8. So if I have to write this in base index form, so this will be equal to x is equal to b, which is 2, power a, which is 8. So 2 power 8 is going to give us the value of x. So we have written in base index form. So if you have to find the value of x, you will do 2 to the power 8, and then you will get the value of x. So what will be that value here? So we, in this video, or this question is just asking about writing in base index form. So this is the base index form, right? So example number 2, let's do example number 2. You have quota, log base quota, x is equal to 3. Now we have to write this in base index form. So again we're going to first write in log form first. So log b with the x here is equal to a. So if I have to write this in base index form, so it will be x is equal to b power a, right? So from here b is here, so this is the value of b, then x is just x, and 3 will be a. So in base index form, this will be x is equal to our b, which is quota, raised to the power a, which is 3. So here, this is our base index form. Let's do another example. Example number 3, write in base index form. So this is the general formula, right? So this is the general formula for logarithmic form. So base index form will be x is equal to b power a, right? So this is our base index form, right? For easy approach, what you can do is, whenever you are given any log, let's say base 2 x is equal to, let's say 3, right? You always can have a relation between 2 and 3. So you can say 2 raised to 3, that way. This is same as b raised to a. On top you can say cb raised to a, right? So over here you can also say my value of x is equal to b raised to a, so 2 power 3, right? There. So that is from log to base index form, this way. We have gone this way already, right? Now what we are going to do is going in the opposite direction. We are going to go from base index form to log form. So we are going in the opposite direction now. Now for that we are going to do some examples. Okay, so write in log form. We have to write this in log form. So we are given in base index form here, this form we are given, and then we have to write in this form now, right? So we are going in the opposite direction. Okay, so first of all we will write this in the general form. So in base index form, the general form will look like x is equal to b power a, right? X is equal to b power a. So our x here is 8, our b here is 2, and a is 3, right? X is 8, b is 2, and a is 3, b a x. So if I have to write this in log form, this will be log base x is equal to a, right? So write this in log form. So it will be log our base, which is b, is 2, our x here is 8, and a here is 3. This is the log form. This is our base index form. Okay, let's do another example. Okay, so you have 1 quarter raised to the power 3 is equal to x. So this is in base index form, right? So this is same as 1 quarter is same as b, and 3 is same as a is equal to x. So this is in base index form. X is equal to b a. X is equal to b power a. Now we have to write in log form. So in log form, this should look like log b x is equal to a, right? So let's list down. So our b here is quarter, our a here is 3, and x is x. So in log form, this will be log base, which is quarter, x, which is x, and the value of a is 3. So there you have written in log form. So you are given in base index form, you came to log form. Yeah. Let's do another one, example number 3. Example number 3 is the general form of base index form. So here x is equal to ba, x is equal to ba. So write this in log form. Log form should have log b, x is equal to a. So log b, x is equal to a. Right. So this is how we write in base index form and logarithmic form.